AI can help us overcome these obstacles by providing real-time data analysis and decision-making support. Imagine a spacecraft traveling millions of miles, far from Earth. In such a scenario, communication delays with mission control can be significant. AI can act autonomously, making critical decisions without waiting for instructions from Earth, ensuring the safety and success of the mission. Astronauts will need to be more self-sufficient, and AI can help make that happen. From managing complex systems to performing routine maintenance, AI can assist astronauts in their daily tasks, allowing them to focus on more critical mission objectives. AI can assist with navigation, control life support systems, and monitor the spacecraft's overall health. By continuously analyzing data from various sensors, AI can predict potential issues before they become critical, ensuring a smooth and safe journey, and even help diagnose medical problems. In the isolated environment of space, having an AI-powered medical assistant can be a lifesaver, providing instant diagnostics and treatment recommendations. In the future, AI might even help us build habitats on other planets. By automating construction processes and optimizing resource use, AI can make the dream of living on Mars or other celestial bodies a reality. With AI by our side, the possibilities for space exploration are truly limitless. From enhancing our capabilities to ensuring our safety, AI will be an indispensable partner in our journey to explore the cosmos. Section 5. A universe of possibilities, AI and the future of space exploration. AI is changing the way we explore space, making it safer, smarter, and more efficient. From planning missions to analyzing vast amounts of data, AI is becoming an indispensable tool in our quest to understand the cosmos. Imagine a future where AI can predict and avoid potential hazards in space, ensuring the safety of our astronauts and equipment. With AI as our partner, we can push the boundaries of human knowledge and explore the universe like never before. AI can help us map uncharted territories, identify new celestial bodies, and even simulate complex space environments to prepare for future missions. And here's a surprising fact. Did you know that AI is helping us search for alien life? By sifting through enormous datasets from telescopes and space probes, AI can detect patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of extraterrestrial civilizations. It's true. AI is analyzing data from telescopes, looking for patterns that might indicate the presence of other civilizations. This means we could potentially find signs of life on distant planets or moons, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the vastness of space? The possibilities are endless, and with AI's help, we are more equipped than ever to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. With AI by our side, the adventure has just begun. The future of space exploration is bright, and together with AI, we are on the brink of making history.